Hey everyone, I am Erica from Rick's Review Hub and welcome back to the channel. If you are completely over vacuuming pet hair every single day, if you hate dealing with a full dustbin after every run, or if you want floors that actually stay clean so you can enjoy your home instead of constantly cleaning it, then this review is going to make your week. Today we are reviewing the iRobot Roomba J9 Plus self-emptying robot vacuum. This powerful robot vacuums automatically empties itself into a self-emptying clean base that holds up to 60 days of dirt and keeps your home noticeably cleaner with almost no daily work from you. Head over to Amazon using the link in the description and check it out. Trust me, this is the upgrade that changes how you live day to day. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours and help support the channel at the same time. Let us break down the features of the Roomba J9 Plus. It has PrecisionVision navigation with a front-facing camera and AI that recognizes and avoids over 100 common household objects like pet waste, cords, socks, shoes, and toys, so it cleans smarter and does not spread messes. The Clean Base automatic dirt disposal empties the robot's bin into a sealed allergen lock bag that holds up to 60 days of debris, so you only empty it a few times a year and never touch the dirt. It uses Dirt Detect technology to sense dirtier areas and automatically increases suction power right where you need it most. The high-efficiency filter captures 99% of allergens and dust particles, making the air healthier for pets and family. Battery life covers most average homes on a single charge, and it returns to the dock automatically when low. The iRobot app is super easy to use. Schedule cleanings, set keep-out zones, create no-go areas, view detailed cleaning maps and reports, and start or pause remotely. It works with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Home. Setup is quick. Place the dock in an open area, download the app, and let it map your home on the first run. It is quiet enough to run while you work, relax, or have the kids playing, and the dock is compact so it does not take over your space. Real-world performance is where this robot really proves itself. It handles pet hair without tangling, picks up dust, crumbs, and small debris from hard floors and low-pile carpets, and Dirt Detect makes sure high-traffic areas get extra attention. The self-emptying dock is a massive time saver. No more emptying a tiny bin every day. Smart navigation learns your home layout and gets faster and more efficient over time. The app gives you complete control with cleaning history and the ability to start a quick spot clean from your phone if something spills. It is perfect for busy families, pet owners, or anyone who wants cleaner floors without the daily chore feeling exhausting. Pros and cons to keep it real. The pros are strong. PrecisionVision navigation avoids obstacles and pet messes reliably, so it cleans smarter. The Clean Base means you empty the bin maybe twice a year and never touch dust. Dirt Detect focuses extra effort on dirty areas for better results. The app is intuitive with great scheduling and customization. It handles pet hair and everyday messes well. Quiet enough for everyday use. The filter traps allergens for healthier air. Reviewers say it keeps homes cleaner with far less effort. On the cons side, the upfront price is higher than basic robots, though the self-emptying dock adds huge value. It is not designed for very thick carpets or extremely large homes. The first mapping can take a couple of runs on complex layouts. These are typical for high-end robots, and the pros far outweigh them for most people who want convenient, reliable cleaning. My recommendation? Yes, absolutely. Get the iRobot Roomba J9 Plus with Clean Base if you want powerful vacuuming, self-emptying convenience, smart obstacle avoidance, and cleaner floors with minimal daily work. It is perfect for busy households, pet owners, families, or anyone who wants more time and less chore stress. If these honest smart home reviews are helping you save time and live easier, hit subscribe for more and click that affiliate link in the description. It gets you the best deal and keeps the channel going strong at no extra cost to you. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this convinced you to upgrade your cleaning game, give it a like, share with a friend who hates chores, or subscribe for more. See you next time.